and that side is all of the building equipment. So we kept it separate this way. It's easy for any troubleshooting, 10, 15, 20 years down the line. So the solar comes in, as you can see on the ground, there is we have to cut this cement block and bring the solar in, and it's piped right into the disconnect. This thing will shut off the entire solar system. It will not shut off the building energy. That building is supplied by Excel on a separate. So it's a dual source system. It's supplied by the solar and by the grid. The solar will, whenever the solar is working, it'll be the first to supply power to the temple. Any excess would go to Excel Energy. If there is any deficient power, then Excel Energy will supply. So it's a algebraic sum is what that goes into into the temple. Then from there, this is the meter that we keep to show how much energy the solar system is generating. And this is a safety equipment for Excel that's required by Excel for the grounding. It's called the grounding shunt trip breaker. So if there is a ground fault anywhere in the line, this will shut off the solar system completely. So it's a complex but yet simple system. Once you understand it, it's fairly simple. That's all there is to this. And if you have any questions on the system,
so you can always put the top.
It's I think 120%.
Wow.
We were not allowed. We asked for more, but we are not allowed to go more than 120%. By law, we can go only 100%.
So, needless to say, even though we may be powered by solar, we still need to save power inside, so that any extra power that we get can be collected as money. I just don't want people to assume solar power means we can use whatever we want.
That's right.
It still costs.
Yes. Well, at least you get some money back, I guess, if you're saving money. Yeah.
Marty, I have one question. What is the conversion efficiency these days of this particular system when compared to standard faucet?
That's a very loaded question because it all depends on how you compute the fossil fuel percentage efficiency. If you include the land that is used to dig up the coal and the amount of energy that is used to bring that coal, transfer it to the coal plant, a coal plant typically would be about 15%. This solar plant, because it is distributed, that is, it is on the load side, it's the highest because we have zero transmission losses. So this is about 19% efficiency. So if you do it the way you're supposed to do it, it's a 4% gain in efficiency. But if you do it the way you ask an accountant to do it, it will be different.
You gave me the engineering answer. Thank you.
So as time goes on, will we be keeping track of how much energy we use from the solar versus directly from Excel, or vice versa?
Yes.
And
Yes.
who's going to keep track of it?
Three organizations, not 3 people. Excel will keep track of it because they have, they don't want to pay us any more than they have to. Second is the 93 Jump LLC because those are the investors who need to recoup their money. And third is the Temple because Temple will be looking at this fine-tooth.
So what is the maintenance that anything we need to take care of to keep this running, and how many years will it sustain?
The system is designed and warranted for 20 years. I've purchased everything for a 20-year warranty. As you know, warranty is different than design life. Warranty is 20 years. Design life can be 35 and 40 years. What was you had another question?
Maintenance.
Oh, maintenance. That is the reason why we are doing solar. There is absolutely no maintenance. I mean, very, very. I mean, when I put the monitoring, that will happen in 5 weeks inside the temple. That will tell you what our system is generating at any given real time analysis. So the maintenance is almost nothing. I mean, I've installed systems, and none of them have. I mean, I'm proud to say I'm the only company in Minnesota with 100% of the systems working, with all of them, including many of them who are standing here. Some of my customers.
Only what about the snow? If this kind of the snow falls and there's anybody cleaning that, or just
Excellent question too. So if you saw the system that the solar panels are 3 feet, actually 40 inches, a little bit more than 3 feet above the ground, and it has kept it. It's been put at a 25-degree tilt. So the snow, and it's a glass surface, very smooth surface, and it's a black surface. As soon as, I mean, during the snow, you will not get in much energy, but once the snow is gone, snowfall is over, the snow collected will slip off very quickly.
How about like we had recently a tornado and
Hail.
hail and all that. So how much it will sustain what kind of winds?
Good. The UL test that's certified for all of this is they take a 1-inch steel ball, 1-inch round steel ball, and they drop it from 8 feet square on the solar panels. And that simulates a golf ball size hail. So if you have a golf ball size hail, you will not have an issue. If you have a football size hail, you will. So everything has a design limitation. I mean, nothing can be designed for a nuclear wall. So we have designed.
But
we have insurance.
crystals, wind, if you have tornadoes with
Sure.
150 mile.
It's a good question. So the design requirement for Minnesota is 105 miles per hour, and that's what the city, Joe is here. Yeah, that's what they looked at our design. Actually, ours is more than 105 miles based on what we have done. If a tornado is 250 mile an hour, that's act of God. You can't really.
So we are covered for the insurance.
Yeah, insurance. Yeah, that's.
Volume tonight is thinking, you installed a rooftop solar system panel for us on 5K, but we've had it for 10 years. So we have not had any damage on it, we have not had any problems with it. And when the snow comes down, and 20 inches at a time in Minnesota, 2 days later it slides on, and then, we never had a problem.
Good testimony.
How about the angle of the panels themselves? They are fixed angle, I presume.
Correct.
And the orientation is.
It's at 25 degrees. So
No,
you want it to be at facing
Direct
south, direct south, to get the maximum solar energy.
We have worked with like so many clients in the past 5 decades with Samutech. I have never seen a client that persuasive as Mauli. You guys have the best product at the cheapest price because of thanks to Mauli's relentless effort. When he worked with the city of Maple Grove, never in the history of state of Minnesota have they allowed for a structure to go in floodplain. Thanks to city staff, city council, leadership, as well as.
Kamlakar has a question here.
I see those inverters are white boxes. They were kept on the ground. Historically, I've seen here at least 30-40 inches of snow accumulation during the peak winter. So don't you think they will be submerged in the snow?
No, if you look, the inverters are actually underneath the solar panels.
Yeah, but still because of the wind drift and all.
Yeah, and these inverters are designed for outdoor application, and they're completely sealed.
No, I know it is
So-
designed for outdoor, but the height it is kept very low. I know you must have done a lot of research.
I think he's saying it is all sealed, weather sealed, yeah. So even if it is surrounded by snow, it's not going to affect the property.
Molly, I had a question. You earlier mentioned that 3 organizations will be monitoring the use, right? So, do we have a template of how they will be monitoring? Will they be doing it independently or collaboratively?
It'll be done initially independently to make sure that I'm telling the truth to everybody else, and then once we have a formula to communicate it to the bees.
So in this process, is there any a monthly audit of how who consumes the power and then what the
Yep,
accounting system?
it comes very easily by way of a bill from Excel Energy.
So we should see lesser bill.
All right, thank you. Let's do the inauguration.
Thank you, Maureen.
Thank you.
Thank you for answering all the questions. Very well done.
Oh,
One second.
I invite Karen,
One second.
who is the city of Maple Grove, to say a few words.
Mayor Stephenson couldn't be here today. He's out of town on some business.
Joe was kind enough to say a few words, so we'll let you also give a few words.
She's our representative. So I'm the deputy mayor, so I'm sorry you'll have to take me.
Go ahead.
This is a momentous occasion, I think, in Maple Grove and Torrey Court society too. I've been on city council for over 20 years, so I was in the beginning of the temple and groundbreaking and so forth. But with the solar, it's wonderful, and I know you went through a lot of hoops and loops and everything to get this, especially in the wetlands. But it's certainly not going to hinder wildlife. I'm sure you still have the deer and the birds and the bees and everything still out here. It's fine. It's not going to hurt anybody. And I think it's a wonderful thing that you're doing. And we need to do more of this because we have global warming, as you know, and we're going to have to do a lot of changes in our lives. If anybody wants to see something up close, because we can't get down there to see these solar panels, is Great River Energy in Maple Grove on Elm Creek Boulevard. It has a huge amount. In fact, they just added some more to it too, which you may be doing here someday too. And I don't know how many years, which you said 20 years.
This is
And then as a payback, about 20 years too.
Payback is much sooner.
Okay. Well, this is wonderful, and I appreciate you inviting us to be here for this wonderful occasion. Thank all of you, and the city of Maple Grove thanks you for all you do. And this is Julie Hanson. She's our council member.
Well, thank you. Thank you for inviting us today. I did not brave the walk down there, didn't wear the right boots, but we did have a very nice tour of your facility. So thank you again so much for inviting us. And the city of Maple Grove is also looking at some solar panels on our buildings. So we will look to you to see how things go. And thank you again.
Thank you to City of Maple Grove for all the support to Hindu society.
I didn't go down to the solar thing too because I was there for the dedication of land. And it was worse than today. Yeah.
We'll Photoshop you in, no worries.
I'm a council lady. I think her ideals are still in the mud out there.
I just want to just add a couple things that probably might have been said earlier. We approached the city even when we thought of doing this, and you folks just guided us through the process. And all the help that you got, Joe and Peter Wickerman, especially the floodplain thing, that was a brand new to you folks too. And we were learning, and quite frankly, it was very frustrating to him and me initially, but we got through it. And as you see, the way it's mounted, the way it's installed, it not only meets but exceeds the requirements of the floodplain, requirement. So, but anyway, the point I'm trying to make is I think we had a great partnership. You just worked with us very closely, and thank you for your help.
Yeah, thank you.
Thanks, everyone.
So, yeah, I think we are pretty much done, but please stay back for lunch.
We have to switch it out.
No, not this week. They said 1 week later. Yeah.
We'll just 30 seconds more. We'll celebrate with the Indian dessert here. Just distribute some sweet here, and and everybody has a food token. So please welcome. You're all welcome to stay back for lunch.
So I just want to say 3 cheers to green energy. Hip hip. Hooray! Hip hip. Hooray! Hip hip. Hooray!
I think we can get inside.
Yeah, we can go.
Yeah, if you can lead them to the dining area,
let's go.
that would be great.
Yeah.
If you can,
Everybody go. Here, sweet sauce. This is really
I
good.
babysat until you come back.
Oh, thank you. She's in now.
Yeah, maybe she moved down. She was in a time now.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow, I want to
They
see
were
her.
gonna come, but they had something else.
Yeah. Do you have some napkin or no? Sorry, we have to keep it.
Just move it.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.